Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create drop-down list on Microsoft Excel. Alright guys, here I have already prepared my data on my Microsoft Excel. And for example, I'm going to add the drop-down list on this gift column. And here I have already created the list of a gift. So I'm going to put this list to this column. So the first thing you have to do is selecting the column that we want to put the drop-down list. And we're going to click on data option right here. I'll select the data validation. Click on data validation right here, and you're going to select the list value. You can select the list value right here. Click on list. Now select the list source. Tap on this button, then you're going to select this list. Okay, and just click on this button and then click on OK. Alright, and if you want to put the list, you just need to tap on this button like this. Then select the list that you want to add to your cell. Okay, tap on the cell, tap on this button, then click on the list you want to add. Alright guys, and that's how we can create the drop-down list on Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.